Put it onto the screen, and that's your working area.
Okay.
So I correct the size. Then you go to import, make a choice of a photo. That's Microsoft Explorer.
Okay.
So this was the first one. I can take this one, for example, or take this one. It's a little bit brighter. Then you can enlarge the photo. It's normally positioned right in the middle.
Okay.
Enlarge it. Take a brief view. Effect of the material you use. But I don't know. Okay. You can see something. And here you can change the brightness, the contrast of the photo. We prefer that customer use their photo software like Adobe Photoshop or something like this because it's more professional. Normally you have learned this software. You must not learn our software, and we are absolutely simple because you can only change the contrast and brightness for the whole picture, not for several parts of the picture.
I see.
So if you have make this choice, you go to printing.
I guess before you do that, like if we were to use other software to edit the photograph, how else do we get an accurate preview of what is coming out?
That is the preview.
Okay, so okay.
So if you need, if you take a golden color on your painting, you change, for example, to a golden preview. So that's important for you to see, must I change something in the picture in fact of the lightness, contrast, or any important information on my painting, because this shows only the working area. This is one-to-one size to the painting themselves.
Okay.
So if you make all these things, you go to the printing, and here you can make a choice. How do you want to print, from the button or from another direction? We prefer from the button because you see very fast first examples of printing.
Okay.
You can make the choice of bidirectional printing, and then you make a choice of the materials. We have some settings for standard materials like aluminium, brass, stainless steel, but you can also make your own choice, and most of the time you must prefer this part because materials change around the world. So you buy aluminium here in Germany or in England, so you have different qualities, and that makes sense to train it a little bit to find out the right power you need for the needles.
Right.
And with these settings you can change the power. That's all. And now I'm prepared. I turn around the pendant.
Okay.
Oh. I have something. Okay.
Okay.
I have a larger. Oh, this is. Take. You position it.
Okay.
This is a plastic pattern,
and how's it being attached to? Like, how's it staying?
It's only on this material.
Oh,
and,
okay.
If you press it a little bit down, it's positioned, and we make only this printing from the button. We have no rotation or something like this, and so the material lays very quiet. Or, I don't know the right word in English. It doesn't move normally.
Okay.
So I think that's all, and then I start.
Okay, so there's actually a physical contact between the needle and the stitching in it. Okay.
So we have this. That's the print head. with these needles. Only one is working. You get a monitoring software which shows you the quality of the needle. This was measured, and this will be measured. And these are the effects. For dark colors, you made only a small dot because you take the color of the pendant themselves. And for lightness or for white colors, you make larger dots. So you enlarge the dot, and this depends on the power you take to the needle. And then you get these effects like dark gray, white. And so we are able to print photos.
And so the system, the machine comes with appropriate software to operate it?
Complete.
And I guess how much is this setup like this?
2,800 euros.
Is this the only size that it comes in? Are there
Yes, it's the only size, no options. We only deliver the machine with these two. It's also with these two needles or something. You can position it here into the hole, and then you have the right position, so you must not measure it again. And you can put a size. That's only an example here inside. And if you have a curved surface, you can use this one. It's a little bit too small to keep it to hold it. So you can print a pen, so it's not a problem.
I see. Interesting.
And everything is delivered to the machine. And we deliver a starter kit with 40 pendants so that you can train.
Okay, cool. Okay, anyhow, sorry, what was your name?
Thomas.
Hi, Thomas. Nice to meet you. Anyhow,
Nice to meet you.
This is Roland DGA, is that correct?
Our company name is Roland DG. DG is for digital group.
Okay. Roland DG. Okay. And this is your needle printing system?
Needle printing system MPX-80. That's the name of the machine.
Okay.